most of the time, when we evaluate trig functions, we'll have some known angle, and we'll use our calculator to help us find the value for the trig function. What we do need to make sure is that our calculator is in the right mode, depending on whether our angle is in degrees or radians, and also that we know how to evaluate the function, especially if the function is not one of the three that are built into our calculator. So you'll notice that on our calculator we have the sine, cosine, and tangent buttons. There's no button, however, for secant or cosecant or cotangent. So when we want to evaluate, for example, the secant of 27.82 degrees, first thing I will do is make sure I'm in the right mode, so I hit the mode button, and I make sure that degree is highlighted. If it is not already highlighted, I use my arrow keys until it's blinking, and then I hit enter. And then we can quit back to the home screen. So in order to evaluate secant, I need to use the fact that it is the reciprocal of cosine, and so secant of 27.82 degrees is 1 over cosine of 27.82 degrees. So on my calculator, 1 divided by cosine 27.82, and I don't need to put in any units because it is in degree mode. I hit enter. I get 1.131 approximately. In part B, we want to find cotan of 1.07, and if we look carefully, we could tell that this angle is in radians, and the way we can tell is because there is no degree sign. Notice up here there was a little degree symbol, so we knew it was in degrees. Without that degree symbol, an angle is automatically understood to be in radians. So when we calculate cotan of 1.07, I'm going to change the mode to make sure that we're in radian mode. So I make sure use my arrow keys to see the radian blinking, and then we hit enter. Quit to the home screen. And again, this is a function. The cotan function is not built in, meaning that there's no cotan button. But that's not a problem since cotan is the reciprocal of tangent. So this is equal to 1 divided by tan of 1.07. And now going back to the calculator, 1 divided by tan, 1.07. is 0.5473 approximately.